Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, Wagwan, me name Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news in the Jamaican language. First, me give the headline them. The delegate them for the Jamaica Teachers Association JTA vote for take the government's latest wage offer. The Jamaica Medical Doctors Association JMDA vote for take the government wage offer. Police lock up a man from Latvia after them catch him a try carry coke outside of the country. Now for the full tour of them. The delegate them for the Jamaica Teachers Association JTA vote for take the government latest wage offer. Out of the 784 teacher them who vote, 629 vote for take the offer. Last week, the teacher them missed class for 4 days and caused chaos in the education sector. The Jamaica Medical Doctor Association JMDA vote for take the government wage offer. Out of the 803 delegates, 784 vote for take the offer. Ongo the police officer them left for take the government wage offer. Police lock up a man from Latvia after them catch him a try carry coke outside of the country. The drugs police lock up the 30-year-old man at the Norman Manley International Airport. According to the police, on 7:30 p.m., the man check in at the airport for take one plane go England. Them search him suitcase and them find 10 parcel of coke. The Clarendon police are looking at the killing of one 59-year-old man after them find him naked and dead in a Newtown, Clarendon, Saturday. The dead man, a Roy Freeman Gilburn, who people call Blacks. According to the police report, people hear gunshot and call them. When them come, them see the dead body. Them carry the body, go dead house. The police report a 14-year-old Tamara Brown, who come from Whitthorne in a Westmoreland, missing from Friday, March 10. She brown and slim and about 5 feet 1 inch long. According to the reports from the Savlamar police, around 5 p.m. people see Brown left her mother house in a White House, Westmoreland. She did have one blue blouse, blue jean skirt and one color top. Nobody no see or hear from her after that. The Savlamar police asked anybody who know which part Tamara Brown there for call them on 876-955-2536, 119 or the nearest police station. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that's the news in the Jamaican language.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.